How to decrease double crochet stitches. I'm going to show you how to do it at the beginning and at the end of a row. So first I'm going to chain 3, yarn over like I would for a regular double crochet, and then I'm going to work into the very first stitch. Then I'm going to pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over again, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook. I'm working into the first stitch here because I can't actually decrease the chain 3, and that does count as a stitch. So there we go. Then the next one is going to be the second to last stitch, and the last stitch is going to be the top of the previous turning chain. And again, I'm going to yarn over like I would for a regular double crochet, insert my hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, insert to the top of the turning chain, right there, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And that's the basics of how to decrease a double crochet stitch. It's a little bit more complicated than the single crochet or half double crochet decrease, but once you get the gist of it, it's not that difficult. The only times I've ever actually used a double crochet decrease was for special kind of stitches or to create a certain kind of design, because the negative space, as in the gaps in between the stitches, if they're stretched over like a shoe or something, can have a really nice effect. But honestly, that's it. It's just one of those foundation things about crochet. Because once you know how to decrease a double crochet stitch, you can pretty much learn any special double crochet stitch. But good luck. Happy hooking!